everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Regina Belle delivered in Jamaica. Over the weekend, Kingston welcomed R&B superstar Regina Belle for Paris Free Mother's Day Regina Belle in concert event at Hope Gardens. E Prime caught up with Regina before the show and she promised a good performance.
We're gonna do some old stuff, some not so old stuff. We're gonna shake it up, we're gonna mix it up, we're gonna have some fun.
The Grammy.
Thank y'all so much. I'm Regina Belle. Love you.
Regina Belle is not new to performing on the island. She performed at the then Jamaica Jazz and Blues Festival in 2011 and again at 2019 Ligony Club. Now, also joining Regina on stage was Queen of Reggae Marcia Griffiths, Glenn Washington, and George Nooks. Nooks updated E Prime on the latest gospel project, Through It All.
I spent over 2 years making the album and I've dig real deep, you know what I mean, inside and around me to create this album, and I am so proud of it, and it's doing well, it's doing great, and I expect it even to do better as time goes on. For You was the Lovers Rock album. It's been about 3 years now, and we're in the studio as we speak, preparing for the next gospel album and the next Lovers Rock album.
Glenn Washington, who in January this year released his 11-track album, Mr. Washington, says his calendar is booked for the rest of the year.
It's starting to soak into people everywhere. It's doing really well, and I'm really enjoying it, and you know, going different places. When I leave here, go to Florida, then from Florida, Georgia, from Georgia to quite a few places, then we go into Europe and England. I have a show or two for the rest of the year, every month.
Now to news overseas, where The Weeknd is ready to end this chapter. To the shock of fans, the recently declared most popular musician on the planet says he is ready to rest his alter ego. The Weeknd, who appeared on the cover of W Magazine Pop May issue in an in-depth cover story, says that he is on a cathartic path and is ready to close the chapter on his musical persona known as The Weeknd. In the interview, he is quoted as saying, "It's getting to a place and a time where I'm getting ready to close the Weeknd chapter." He also revealed that his upcoming album will probably be his last as The Weeknd, adding that he'll still make music, maybe as Abel, maybe as The Weeknd, but still he wants to kill The Weeknd, and he will. The singer is currently promoting his move into the film industry, acting on his own and executively produced upcoming HBO series The Idol, scheduled for release this summer. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.